So what if your team now needs to either back up your database or share data externally? Let's talk about exporting. Exporting your contacts allows you to back up your database, analyze it in other platforms, or even upload it into other platforms like an email marketing tool. Here's how to use this part of HubSpot. So first, go to the contacts page and select the contacts you want to export. Now, remember here, HubSpot does have a few different options of how to export your contacts. So you're going to want to make sure to choose only the contacts you want to export. For this exercise, I'm going to choose My Contacts tab, but you choose the contacts that you want to export here. Now, once you have your list ready, go over to the right-hand side and click Export. And then you'll see here, HubSpot will give you a few different file type options to export these contacts. Typically, we recommend choosing a CSV file and then just double check the language. And HubSpot as well does give you a few options to customize your export. But once everything looks good, simply click the Export button at the bottom. Now, depending on the size of your file, sometimes this can take a little bit of time, but luckily for us, this was a pretty small file. So I'm going to go over to my email, and HubSpot would have sent me this file directly to my email. All I have to do is click download, and it will directly download to my computer. And then if I go and open up the file, this is what it looks like. When exporting contacts, make sure to choose the right file format. Apply filters so you're only exporting the contacts that you need, and then